Armin Van Buuren just came out with a new smash.
Do it one more time.
And I just had to make a remix. How do you remix a song that are already this good? And more importantly, how to make it a good one? To be honest, I did struggle a bit in the beginning. First with finding the right chord progression, and then with finding a cool idea for the drop. But then I noticed that the synth became much cooler after tweaking a bit on the distortion and bit crushing knobs. And that gave me an idea. I think we should start by making the bass line more aggressive. So let's tweak these distortion settings here. And the low cut and bitrate knobs are really good to give it a nice character and more attack. So that kind of slaps. Just a little bit of crunch, adding grooves and horns. Everything is better with horns. I'm gonna use a super long vocal delay as a texture. I'm making it repeat like this for the whole section, pushing it back with delay and reverb, filter, sidechain, and this is important. I'm using automation on all those plugins to make the feeling of the vocal pumping change over time. Splash, sweep, and uplifting melody for the beat part. That's a sophisticated synth sound. I need the final note to last longer, and in this case I'm doing that by automating the release and with some compression before the sidechain. It lasts even longer. And at last I want this melody part to float more, so I'm pushing this pad in the far back. And there's really no more hocus pocus to it. Actually, I didn't use any hocus pocus this time. You can check out the full remix on my channel. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you next time.